Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting now, open YouTube and go straight to your account settings. You change key defaults so the platform stops promoting short-form videos, turn off autoplay and clear watch history of shorts. Make sure to unsubscribe or mute channels that mainly post shorts because behavior signals drive recommendations. Once done, purge or pause any short-like views in your history to reset the recommendation engine. This is the fastest way to reduce shorts appearing on your home and For You areas. Next, refine recommendations deliberately. Press Not Interested on each short and choose a reason so YouTube learns your preference. You also want to reward long-form content, like, comment, and add 10-20 longer videos to playlists, because engagement signals are weighted heavily. Once you consistently watch full-length uploads, the algorithm recalibrates. Make sure to avoid quick skips and replays of shorts, and instead watch longer videos through to the end to reinforce that preference over time. Finish by cleaning and hardening your settings. Clear watch and search history for anything short-related and reset recommendations if needed. You can install browser extensions or use CSS blockers to hide short sections on desktop and make sure your app settings match your preferences. If shorts still appear, try troubleshooting. Sign out and back in, reinstall the app, or reset watch history to force a fresh recommendation slate. If that fails, repeat the preference actions and keep watching long videos to retrain the algorithm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.